Riding on the Otsego County Road Commission snowplow. Deb took this video of my friend Tom driving it and opening up the road on the opposite side, and then we make a second pass. It is throwing it 200 feet, I swear. It is so cool. This is just a warm-up to get a hole dug, but it is cool. Riding inside. The next pass is awesome. Here's a second pass with Tom in the Otsego County Road Commission truck with me riding inside. I mean, it is just beautiful how it throws that snow. Wow, that's amazing. I love it. Okay, here comes Tom and I again. This is the third pass. It is just crazy how far it throws the snow. Watch when it gets past these trees. Look at that. That is just awesome. And they're heading right towards, we're heading right towards Deb, right standing in the road. Ah, Deb, watch out. Cool. Thanks, Deb. Okay, here Deb is again, standing in the road, getting a shot of the Otsego County Road Commission truck with me riding inside with Tom. I mean, it just is beautiful. Just the way it throws that snow. Whew. Thanks, Deb.